the space has grown massively over the last probably decade and a half since the global financial crisis, I think particularly. Can you talk to the growth? And I know direct lending is a big part of it, but there's other areas as well that are seeing a lot of growth.
First and foremost, if we're sort of talking about the acceleration in funds or capital raised, not all committed, but capital raised, I think that one of the reasons why you saw that, or the attractiveness, is simply yields that weren't available on alternative public market investments, sort of the so-called reach for yield. I also think, if you think back over the past decade, maybe even over the past 5 years, we've sort of had a number of wobbles, either related to the pandemic, which nobody foresaw, then the issues with the regional banks here in Europe. And I think that really sort of brought private credit into the consciousness, because I think people saw that it could play a very important and stabilizing role in terms of the kind of credit ecosystem. Companies had a place to go other than banks and the broadly syndicated market.